Welcome back to LWLA Learning while listening anytime. Today, we are going to learn English through a real-life doctor visit. Have you ever felt sick and needed to see a doctor? In this lesson, you will learn useful vocabulary and common expressions. Listen carefully to the conversation. Try to repeat the sentences after each speaker. This will help improve your speaking and listening skills. Let's begin our story. So no, I don't feel well today.
What's wrong, Lily?
I have a headache and my throat hurts.
Since when have you been feeling sick?
Since yesterday evening.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel very warm.
You should visit a doctor.
Yes, I think that's a good idea. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment.
Certainly, what seems to be the problem?
I've had a fever and a sore throat.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 2 days.
The doctor is available at 10 a.m.
That works for me.
Great, we'll see you then.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
Good morning, how can I help you?
I have an appointment with Dr. Wilson.
May I have your name, please?
Lily Johnson.
Thank you, please sign in here.
Sure.
Please have a seat in the waiting area.
Thank you. Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, please sit down. Thank you. Are you here to see the doctor, too? Yes, I've been feeling sick. I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully, it's nothing serious. I'm sure the doctor will help. I hope so. Lily Johnson. Yes, that's me. Please come with me. Okay. First, I'll check your temperature. Sure. Your temperature is a little high. That explains why I feel tired. The doctor will see you shortly.
Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, doctors.
What brings you here today?
I've been feeling sick for a few days.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and a cough.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I do.
I see. Let's take a closer look. Please open your mouth.
I like this.
Yes, that's fine. Now say ah.
I.
Good. I'll take a deep breath.
Okay.
Your throat looks inflamed.
What's wrong with me, doctor?
It looks like you have a viral infection.
Is it serious?
No, it should improve in a few days.
That's good to hear.
I'll prescribe some medicine.
How often should I take it?
Twice a day after meals.
Okay, thank you.
Make sure you drink plenty of water.
I will.
Get enough sleep every night.
Okay.
Avoid cold drinks for a few days.
I'll remember that.
Eat healthy food and rest.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'd like to get my prescription filled.
Let me take a look.
Here you are.
These medicines should help you feel better.
How should I take them?
Follow the instructions on the label.
Thank you.
Get well soon.
How was your appointment?
The doctor said I have a viral infection.
Did he give you medicine?
Yes, he did.
What else did he recommend?
He told me to rest and drink plenty of water.
That's good advice.
I already feel better knowing what's wrong.
I hope you recover quickly.
Thanks, Mom. Okay.